now I'm looking at this property, 2,700 square feet. We have outgrown our space and we are looking for a bigger space. Now, the property here, 2,700, right?
Yeah.
The property here does not have any electricity right now because it's for lease, but a lot of offices. One room here. I'm using my camera flash. And we have a big room here. And a room here. And all those rooms are big. And a room inside. But there's more. You have men's bathroom here, and you have a women's bathroom. We do not need two bathrooms, but it's part of the property. Women's bathroom, pink walls. And another room here. Oh, that's the kitchen. Or, you know, a place to eat. Another big room here. And this one looks like a network room. And another room here. And ceilings are high, I think about 20 feet. And all that space, we can play soccer here. I can shoot here, and Big Boss is the goalie right on the wall. That would be nice. A football table, ping pong table, pool table. Oh, there's one more room. What? Yeah, one more room. Oh, how many rooms? I'll count later. And we have a big, long gate. And if we go to the outside, I mean, right now I was looking for a warehouse because we want something big and we do not care about locals. Most of our business is online, and if somebody wants to come over, our address is online, they can come over, so we do not really care if we are visible to the public or not. But this place is huge, very big. The other places, it's still open?
Which one?
Number 5?
We were number 5.
No, this one is number 7.
Number 7.
Number 5, is it still open or closed? Did you close it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine.